Yo, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. Today we have the Gemini GPSS 650. Now they sent this over for unboxing. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna bust it out of this box and see what it looks like and see what it sounds like. So I pre-cut the box, so we don't have to deal with all that. So let's open it up and see what it can do. Right now, the GPSS 650, this speaker right here, is going for 350 bucks basically, and it's one of those PA system speakers, like something like the Bose S1. The Bose S1's going for like, I think it was like 600 bucks. Don't quote me on that. I can't remember the price. Leave the price down for that Bose X1 in the comments below. But it's basically that type of speaker, like a PA system type speaker that you can take on the go, do karaoke with, all that stuff. So let's bust it all the way out of the box right now. So what you're going to be looking at battery life wise with this speaker is about 12 hours. So that's probably 12 hours on full blast. You're probably going to be looking around 6 to 8 hours. You know, we like to take a couple of hours off when we you know, when they say it lasts this long, normally it's because they test it on medium volume. That's all audio products, and normally take some hours off of there. So you're probably gonna be looking on full blast, 6 to 8. And if you play it on medium or lower, you'll probably get that full 12 hours. So this is the first look at the speaker right here. Nice little close-up, little turn right here. One thing I do notice, it has a nice little weight on it. I think it's a little bit lighter than the Bose S1, which is really good because it does have the handle on the back here, so you can carry it and take it around and stuff. So that is really nice that it has that. Let's see what else is in the box. Just the cord to charge it up and your instructions. So that's all you're going to get in the box, nothing too complicated. As you can see back here, you do have your ports, so you can plug in, you know, any mics, instruments, any line level devices, any of that you can connect back here. And then you have all your knobs right here to control the volume of the instrument, of the mic. You do have some echo on 2 of the ports back here, so you're going to be covered. If you want some echo, you want to get that little Travis Scott feeling going, you got that covered right here. So this is something that's really great for karaoke as well, you know, having that echo, having that volume control, you know, connected with that. And it also does, of course, work in Bluetooth. That's how we'll be testing the speaker, with the Bluetooth sound, of course. And you do get true wireless stereo, meaning you can connect 2 of these speakers if you wanted to. So, you know, 350, get 2 of these, 700, and then have, you know, stand, have on both sides, you know, like a party or whatever going. You can do that as well. So for the knobs that you're going to be getting on here, let me show you guys. Let me twist it. Let me twist it. Let me twist it. You're going to be getting the echo. You're going to be getting the boost. You're going to be getting the treble. Put some treble in it. That's my word. You're going to get some gain on there as well. And like I said, both of the inputs, channel 1 and channel 2, do have echo on that. So you can get a little echo on your instruments, and you can get some echo on your vocals as well with the mic and stuff. And then you have your main, you know, your gain right there for the Bluetooth. Just, you know, that's just the Bluetooth volume. That's what you'll be getting with that. And your master volume to control everything. So if you're trying to shut everything down, instruments, mics, all that, you'll shut it down here with this knob. And you got your ports back here. And you also have an RCA cable in the back as well, if you want to connect that way too. So there is a pair button back here, and that's how you connect the Bluetooth speaker. You just click in the Bluetooth square right there, you click pair. And there's also a link button. I'm guessing that's how you will connect another speaker, so you can get that true wireless stereo, 2 speakers working at once. All right, but so let's do a quick little sound test, and we'll see if we can get an outside sound test later on. But let's do a little quick indoor sound test. I'm gonna let you guys hear it, and I'll just hear it from here, and I'll listen myself later and tell you what I think of the sound. All right, but so we got to connect it. Let's do it. Let's get a little sound test going. Let's check it out. Let me turn it up for you guys.
For the grand, yeah, I'm lazy, yeah, name go hot, yeah, milk go spicy, yeah, she wants messy, yeah, I precise, yeah, first my rusty, yeah, suck it dicey, yeah, for the grand, yeah, I'm lazy, yeah, name go hot, yeah, milk go spicy, yeah, she wants messy, yeah, I precise, yeah, first my rusty, yeah, suck it dicey, yeah.
All right, bud, so that was the little sound test right there. One thing I noticed, that this thing has a lot of power pumping out of it. I really do give it props. For 350 bucks, you're going to be saving like 250 compared to the Bose S1. So I do like that. I like the price. You know, we like the budgeted stuff on here. We like to get the nice little bang for your buck at a lower range. And for a PA system, the volume you're going to be getting on this thing is pretty deadly. It's really loud. One thing I like is that the the highs, so like people's vocals in the mids and the highs, it stays very clear. It doesn't get distorted. It does have a clip meter on here that will blink and let you know that, yo, this stuff is starting to sound crappy because you're clipping it. Turn it down a little bit. They do have that on here, but from what I was seeing with a couple songs I was testing out, the highs still sound really clear and crispy. Didn't even hurt my ears from a close distance. I do like that a lot. It has a nice, powerful bass. I had to search more for my bassier songs to get that feel from it. You know, some speakers, they find bass with anything. So in this one, it was like, you can really hear it when you got those bassy type songs. Like if you got a song you know that hits hard in your car or something, this speaker is going to hit just as hard. But bass songs with not as much bass, you know, some speakers like my car will bring bass out in any song, and it's like some speakers will also do that. This one, you kind of got to find the bassier songs to really hear that boom, 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 that bump that it does have in it. So a nice little bass in it as well. Overall, you get a good little sound. You're getting it for $350. I really like the price range of this and the PA system quality, because these type of speakers, they normally run in that $300 to like $600 range, those PA system type speakers. So you're definitely getting a great sound with this. So overall, buzz, it's pretty good sound. I like what I'm seeing here, what Gemini is doing with the little PA system and the sound quality of this. I was really waiting for the distortion. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, there's gonna be some distortion in these highs, and there really wasn't. It sounded really clear. Now, granted, you know, take that with a grain of salt, because I only listened to a couple of songs, and you know, I had it blasting for a little bit, not too loud, crazy, because we're in an apartment complex here. So, but from what I heard, you know, it was pretty clean. I like it. All right, bud. So that was the Gemini GPSS 650. Now, if you guys are looking for a budget option, don't feel like paying like $600 and whatever for the Bose S1, this is an option you might want to look at. Save some money. Save like $250, $300. Get this speaker. It has nice sound. It has a nice little thump to it as well, and you'll get the same little hookups in the back. All right, so that's the Gemini GPSS 650. If you guys want to check this out, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description for you. Don't worry about it. You guys can click that, see the current price and all of that good stuff. Also, check out some of these other videos right here that I have for you. If something might catch your eye. But till then, my name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.